where the mixing agent of brewed coffee is water. So ano mas masarap? Water or ice cream? Ice cream, di ba? So dito, masarap yung kape mo, masarap pa yung mixing agent mo, with the milk. Kaya napakasarap po ng cappuccino. In fact, the number one coffee drink sa mga coffee shop is cappuccino. It's also very, very profitable. Most shops will charge you 50 pesos to 150 pesos per cup of cappuccino. There's no reason. Allowed to be served, di ba? So, si Roman ngayon, pinrong gata. And he will put it on top of the espresso. Tapos, pinapagsetan niya na yung foam. And I think he is, looks like he's on the verge of putting it in the last part. Take some skill to,
Butay na lang, dalawa yung ano niya.
Oo. 12 minutes na.
Pero kaso,
Thunder
to eh. Kasi parang yun.
So, Romeo, what is your signature drink for today? Carrot cream coffee. Carrot cream coffee. Bakit mo naisipan yung carrot?
Carrot is known as Victor.
That's a Caroline. It's also good for your eyes, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos ano ba? How did you come up with your drink? Robert, paano mo na-invento ito? I mean, what drove you to develop this drink for this afternoon? 16 up to 75 degrees
Ha?
or centigrade or about 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Pag sinobraho nyo yun, masusunog yung gatas sa pangit na ho yung combination ng sunog na gatas at saka ng coffee. Kaya naman yung kape. Ano lahat ng mga ingredients na nilalagay mo dyan?
Fresh carrot and apple and white fruit and the cream and ice cream.
So, nilagyan mo niya ng shredded carrots, I think.
Yes.
Tapos, nilagyan mo siya ng sliced apple, guys. Tapos, cream and ice cream. Milk from New Zealand, which is called Mellow Fresh, one of our sponsors for today's event. Tapos, lalagyan mo niya ng ice. And we will blend it together with a shot of espresso. Yeah, 5 minutes and 31 seconds to complete your annoying extraction time now, which is between 22 to 25 seconds. Yung technical skills niya, pinaplas pa niya yung group niya before you start brewing. You clean the basket. Tapos yung milk pot. Is the pitcher empty ba siya o sobra yung gata? Pina-first pa niya yung steam before he steams the milk. Nililinis pa yung pitcher afterwards. Nililinis pa yung group head after a done with his espresso shot and fresh apple.
Just like carrot cream coffee.
Carrot cream coffee. Can you please describe your drink to the judges?
Sure. Sure. Before I... Okay.